Hello. Today I'm going to talk about Desmos. Desmos is a free calculating tool, very educational. I'd say it's two purposes. Could be applying and analytical. There could be some more options as well. If you look up here, there's a bar up here. You can use all these different calculators. I mostly use this scientific one, the graphing one. This is a basic calculator. I have not used these very much, and I prefer to still teach geometry using a protractor and straight edge. So I'm going to focus on this scientific calculator and a graphing calculator next. This has been a common kind of replacement for the old TI-83. I don't know if you guys brought those to high school with you, but that was a necessity for us. Kids are not really doing that anymore. They're using Desmos Scientific and then Desmos Graphing here. Also, there is an aspect here for teachers, and this is all free, and you can assign kids assignments by sending them a link. I have played around with these. I haven't loved them yet. Still looking at more to use, but you can use this as a teaching tool here. What I do use this most for is, first of all, demonstrating how to type things in on the calculator. You'd be surprised at how well kids can be at math, but they have no idea when it comes to just entering it in. So you might need to help them, let's say we're doing the quadratic formula and they need help. And I'm just kind of making up a all right, and so you might show them how to do that, and then all over to A, and you can show them how to put the answer in. So I use this a lot to demonstrate to kids, and I will tell them to kind of copy it exactly as I do it first off. Really basic, but super good tool, super useful, free. Yeah. So next I'm going to show you the graphing calculator. I love this graphing calculator, especially for algebra. Algebra, you're teaching kids all the different types of functions there are. So let's say we're looking at exponential. All right, and so here's kind of like your base. I'm using letters because I can turn those into sliders, and we can then ask the kids what happens to this. How does B, I like to go in order here, how does the value of B affect this equation? And then we can look and ask, and how does A affect this equation? Typically, here we'll do a positive, so let's go from 0. Let's go from 10. And I love these sliders, and you can see what effect does this have. You can do this, of course, with, and you can kind of make a play here. And there they go. And you can see what that value of A, how it changes. And then you can play this one too. I think Desmos is an incredibly useful tool to help students kind of explore on their own and understand how graphs change as the numbers change. This is a great tool to use in a scavenger hunt and things like that. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.